Hey y'all, I'm Suave Sash, and we do things over here a little bit different, a little bit crazy, and all over the place because we're realistic and are very much so authentic. On today's list, we have to pick up my fridge for my studio apartment, and also we will be doing a little shopping. Like, we need to get some of the items for the apartment, so let's go. So guys, first up is a Bash Codes, and I went into the knife department, and like me did have to put them back because they never look sharp to me. I mean, I waste my money for no. I refuse. And then we go look for some pot. But really and truly I was like looking for a pot set type of thing. We got to couple people them walk. The price fee walk never too bad, but necessary. We're only buying things that is necessary, people. Okay. Guys, I don't remember what these bottles are called, but like you use them to make like water, kefir, like pre or pro biotics, one of them soda type shit. So yeah, I got two of these because girl, me tell you now, I'm on my health journey. I'm on my health journey. Let me tell you all, I'm on my health journey. So now I go come along and I go show enough to make probiotics so that even though I learn, me I learn, but me I teach you no same way. So yeah. So me did have to find the wine glass section and take up the biggest one that me can find. Cause guys, I'm gonna be sipping on my wine in my robe, in my red light type of vibes. Like, took a stop in the mirror section, but I didn't get anything because, as I said, guys, we're just getting priorities right now. The necessities, yeah, those are what we're getting. So I spent a total of $1,500 at Bashko, which wasn't bad to be honest. And then I set out to look at taxi to get me to my next location of shopping. But guys, I'm gonna stop talk and just do a little time lapse of like me taking up the stuff in the wholesale shop or whatever. Yeah, so enjoy this aesthetically pleasing part of my video that you don't have to hear my voice, okay? Oh, listen, wait me, baby. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit had you wildin'. That's little shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, but show me your outside, but know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy.
Fully, I hear.
So guys, I'ma have to vent right now. So guys, I purchased my fridge along with my mattress and my stove, right? The first week they said that they don't have it anymore. Basically they sell the fridge when I buy, right? They said them 1 week's time them will get back the fridge. Well, 1 week time I go back then claim so they have the fridge, right? I was supposed to collect it the other week, but I get busy, so I went this week to collect the fridge. Tell me why the man I go try give me one 12.5 cubic or whatever they want measure it in. I bought a 14.5 blue Sonic, right? And the man want give me one 12.5 and I got talk about more give me back the difference. But I want the difference, more want the 14.5. That's why I buy the size fridge I want because I have things to put in there. Yes. Yeah, some of just take my money, go somewhere and buy a different fridge. I buy even a bigger fridge and I really like this one so. So it's really, really, really giving messy and all, but this is my fridge, y'all. This is my fridge. Like, look at this. Look at the detail. I'm talking about detail. Details. Okay, so this is inside the fridge. Yeah, I'm clean it later. I think when I'm not feel plug it in and make it gas cycle, and then when I plug it in, feel if you do them open, for couple something. I gotta ask my mother again about it because who else to ask? And speaking of my mom got me this pot. It's not a pot, it's a pan. Whatever, mother get me this. Yeah, I have my stuff over there. I have my bag ready and pack. So for all y'all nosy people, yes, I'm sleeping on my mattress on the floor because the shipping company really I mess with me right now. But then again, that's another story time for when time I get my bed frame. I can vent about that. Today is the fridge saga.
Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?
You'll never find no one in this lifetime. You'll never find this lifetime to live like I do. So never mind things that people say that I never heard to you. You'll never find no one in this lifetime. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the first place that I went, which was Bashko. And let's talk about it. Cause tell me why Bashko so dear now. No, tell me why Bashko so dear. Because my mom used to go to Bashko and Bashko is like cheap and mother used to do like back to school shopping and something at Bashko. Where Bashko come from so dear guys? Like me I look on the price, me no know, no see na video, me put back everything back. I go show you when me buy down there. So, me can't manage. So guys, I got a big of a wine glass because yes, I will be sipping on some wine in this. Alright. Guys, next on the list I got these bottles because my plan on making like what they call it probiotic or pre probiotic sodas or pre probiotic sodas. You know me I talk water, kefir or coffee or whatever. I'll put it up on this screen. I plan to make them something there so I buy two of them. As y'all can see. Two. Last but not least, my buy that something I did cheap. We put like napkin or something, you know. Buy that little glass. I mean, one man on the road and sell it for toast. I'm buy. How me look? Come look, guys. Tell me how me look. Come look and tell me how me look. And be honest. Not be brutally honest, but be honest. If you don't have nothing good to say. So, guys, me say me stop. Don't want a store name Beauty 80 100 something. You see name Jack Sully, I'm gonna solve. If you know, you know. If you don't, then it down. Alright. Let me check up them, yeah. Get some beans from my bathroom, so I get this one I fit in the kitchen. Remember when I fit in the kitchen? Yeah. When I fit in the kitchen. It's kinda cute. It's cute. Very, very cheap. 950 paper. This one is for my bathroom. I have this little thing up on the top with swingling. I have wally pass on for show. So I get two cutting board and probably I wonder why the hell I get two cutting board. I don't know. No matter how much I wash the cutting board, the thought of cutting up meat on the board and then I go cut up fruits, but no matter if I wash it or not, just not sit well with me. So that is that. One is for fruits and vegetables, the other is for meat. Yeah. Who want vex, that's a fair business. $500 per board by the way. So $1,000 for two of them. Boy, so I get two base. You know, I need to cut up my chicken and then look at something. Two basin, get two jug jar, guys. Let me tell you now, please subscribe to my channel and all of them something there because me tell you guys, I'm going on a health journey. So if you don't want to see, I'm on a health journey, I'm on a self-love journey, I'm on all type of journey. Yeah, so one of them I gonna have cocoa water, one of them I gonna have blended fruit juice or vegetable juice, whatever. Yeah, so we're on our health journey, guys. I go vlog one time by grocery or something, so I'm gonna see that the video there too. But I'll show you what I get. Jog. No worry, guys. Me just I put them down because me have to go wash them or something. Me just now want. Guys, I mean, I need somebody to tell me how me can clear up this PS for my phone because me have film guys I've been to me say storage full and me can't manage with that. So don't tell me how me delete too much video and something a while ago. I mean, I really have no app on my phone like that, so I don't understand what's going on. So, anyways, as me I say, guys,
I worry about whatever come I have to go wash them or something. But me not film that because like I feel like say that not really necessary. Who want to watch somebody I watch something, wash something, not me. So if you don't want to see that, you can comment down below and let me know if you don't want to see that. Because I can show you. Yeah, I can show you. But get them yeah, and me I regret it because the color, me know if you have to say me I cook like brown soup chicken and it's something that you gonna stain up and all of this in there. Beautiful, spectacular, just wow, wow, wow factors. But guys, as I said, you can come help me wash them. Guys, look how me excited, but me show you me excited, but look how me tell you how much me pay for this. Guess how much me pay for this? Yeah? Well, now you can see the price. $400 me pay for this. I'm gonna bring my lunch guy work and I have 3 parts. Let me show you. 3 compartments. Alright, we need to go back at gym to be honest, because I don't know what the fuck was that. So this is it, real cute. I'm gonna busy if I pick this something. Looking at it, guys, looking at it. So vegetable, meat, carbs. Yeah, we're gonna eat half. We plate supposed to half of it is supposed to be vegetables. Like we're on the health journey, y'all. I'm on the health journey, and I must come along. A one life and a one life we have to live. We have to live the best of it. So yeah. Next item. I told them I buy by the way. Two of them. Two of them. Two of them. No, guys. I don't know if this was the best decision, but this is the decision that I made. Buy this for $450. I get this, and this. So, guys, I bought a can opener. This is gonna be the first time in my life that I'm using something like this. Very expensive, very exclusive. Wasn't that expensive? It was $6.50, but I expect more like 2 grams. I buy this. I have to use like my Suave, yeah, whatever. I buy this because something to brush for my baked chicken with me and my baked chicken. Guys, I'm just stay tuned for the video. Guys, I have this in my bathroom. I'm gonna get soap with the dishes. I'm gonna get this as well for the dishes. So y'all, I bought this knife set. It's an 8-piece knife set. I get cleaver, chef knife, bread knife, boning knife, fruit knife, magnetic force, grinding, thick, kitchen scissors and wooden block. So this have everything what I need in a hit. So no, don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. What have YouTube with this? YouTube that wasn't serious. By the way, guys, this is a other China with the Negro. The new tell me your story. So I get this nice, cute ice tray. I get 2 cups. These cute cups as well, y'all. Like they're so cute to me, so I got them. Guys, this a glass, you know, and I told you that I'm pay for this. Me I go eat me yogurt them. And I'm buy 2 of them. So them there are 2 of them. I'm buying 2 big bowl of them and I make soup in the go. But get 2 flat plates, nice little white plates so we can take aesthetically pleasing, as I word it, aesthetically pleasing videos and photos of my food when I plate them how. So yes, real glass. How much people they did $380, almost $400 for one. And them very cute. I'm gonna buy some pack and something. This hour. $390. So guys, that's basically the end of the video, I guess, because as I say, if you don't want to see me do that, look at something to make me know. So next time when I do something like that, I'll do it for y'all. So guys, that's basically it, y'all. So if you're interested, as I say, my young, we're on a health journey, we're on outside a journey. So if you want somebody very realistic and just authentic, you know, follow me, subscribe to my channel and all of that stuff because I'm just gonna be real with you for real. Like me young, I mean I try. That's the best part about it. I'm just want to motivate other young females out there for just do what you need to do. Yeah. So that's